Hello guys, today we're doing another review video of another vinyl record. What a surprise, it's slowly turning into a record channel. This is the vinyl version of Fuzzybrain by Dayglow. This is actually my favorite album ever. Had to get it eventually. And yeah, I really love it, and I'm gonna unbox it because there really aren't any videos on YouTube of an unboxing it. So let's get right into it. So on the front, of course, you have the cover art, and if you flip it over, it's this really cool, like, homemade looking track list. And this is also a gatefold, so if you open it up, you get this really cool art. And if you're a big fan, this is actually, I think this was his older cover art for his Fuzzybrain singles, but I'm not totally sure. And you get two things inside of this. Let me take those out right now. So inside you get three things really. You get the lyric list right here. It has the same art on the inside of the gatefold on here, and all the lyrics for all the songs, plus just info on basically saying that it was all produced by one guy. And then you actually get the vinyl sleeve, which is this really awesome looking print. It's a lot better than the paper ones that you normally get in a normal vinyl record. And I'll take out the vinyl right now. The second printing version of this is printed pink. It's a very, very hot pink. Very, very bright. And on side A, you got false direction through fair game, and on the back, you have dear friend through Listerine. And I will also say that this sounds excellent. It sounds just awesome on vinyl. It really was made to play on vinyl, in my opinion. It sounds amazing. If you're a fan of the album, I highly recommend it. It's a high price point, but it's totally worth it. And that is it for this video. If you've liked it, make sure to subscribe. And hopefully I can do some more of these in the future. Have a good day.